chocolate because we're craving for chocolate because we're at the factory. Let's go check out if they have any other extensive chocolate and whatever other chocolate things we have. So it's gonna be a sweet dinner. Let's go. The birthday celebration cup with a little cake on top, just like how they do it inside. Let's try it out. A little sweet, but not too bad. Let's try the cake. Ooh, that tastes pretty nice, guys. Not too sweet. What's up, guys? So over here, I got one of the meats. I got one of the dishes that has chocolate in it. This is the cocoa pork tenderloin. Let's go ahead and try what it tastes like, because I never tried chocolate and pork together. Let's try it out. A little sweet potato in there. So it tastes kind of like The chocolate pork in Tagalog. It's like a Filipino dish. It's called. I don't even know what it's called, to be honest. I forgot. It's called diniguan. That's what it's called. It's called diniguan. It tastes similar to that, so it's not too far off weird. It is weird if you're not used to eating like chocolate meat. If you guys know what I mean. Let's try it out with the sweet potato. Ooh, so together with the together with the sweet potato and the chocolate pork tenderloin, it's actually not too bad. It's a little dry, but with the sweet potato itself, it's pretty good. I'll see you guys next time, and hope you guys like this video, and be sure to subscribe as well to the next eating, next adventure. Not sure what I'm gonna do next. Let's go. Oh, and be sure to make every moment laughable. The chairs are so fancy. Yeah.